Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh Salvankar. Please subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Check this. Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh Salvankar. So today's topic is how to install Resurrection Remix 6.0 on Mi-11. I was a bit inconsistent as my exams were going on and finally my exams are finished now. So let's get onto the topic. So first step to install the custom ROM is Twrp. I have already made a video on how to install Twrp on Mi-11. If you have not watched the video, link is in the description box and even in the card. After installing Twrp, download the Resurrection Remix 6.0 file. See, I will show you. Download the Resurrection Remix 6.0 file and open GApps package. Link is in the description. While downloading OpenGApps, select ARM64, Android 8.1 and Nano. You can also select Pico, but if you want trusted face option, just Face ID, select Nano. After then, just boot into Twrp by power and volume up button. Once you have successfully booted in Twrp, just go to backup and select all this and make a backup of this. Then just go to wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik, system, data and wipe, swipe to wipe. Then just go to install, select the Resurrection Remix file, Resurrection Remix 6.0 official and just wipe it. It will install it. But after installing the ROM, don't install OpenGApps because it will give error. And if you try to reboot to recovery, it will boot into Lineage recovery as Resurrection Remix is based on Lineage OS. So after installing RR 6.0, just install the Twrp installer. See this. Just install Twrp installer zip. Swipe. Then reboot and recovery. And it will boot into Twrp recovery. Then just go to install and select the OpenGApps package and swipe. Swipe to install. Then if you want to root your phone, just go to install and select Magisk 16.0 zip and install. After then just click on reboot and system. Reboot and system. And you have successfully installed the Resurrection Remix 6.0 based on Android 8.1. So what do you think? How was the video? Tell us in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.